This vehicle is older than me. But you're dang right it looks better than me. Let's go over it. This is a 2001 Excursion build. All right guys, for being a 2001, this Excursion is absolutely beautiful. This is a build that Nick and one of our other team members, Lindsay, worked on together. So this is your 01 Excursion. These things are legendary. They were out for like a not long enough time period. Everybody loved them. And for some reason, Ford took them away and broke about half of America's heart. But, you know, they do that sometimes. They did it with the Bronco. Maybe they'll come back with the Excursion. I don't know. But this has a 7.3 in it. That beautiful 7.3 engine. So just in case y'all forgot that beautiful sound, I'll go ahead and rev it up for you. Anyways, that's the gorgeous sound of the 7.3 in case you guys missed it. Now to get into the actual build aspect of what we did to make this already beautiful truck even more beautiful. So this build has a 5-inch rough country suspension kit, the dual shocks in the front, which I forgot the Excursion had. This is freaking sweet. And then you've got your front leaf springs, rear, you have spacers, and then you've got your U-bolts as well, obviously. And then you have your pitman arms up here, and the steering stabilizer was added as well. So we got a dual steering stabilizer in the front. Nothing too crazy for the kit, but it does really give it a nice stance, as you can tell from the front to the back. This thing is absolutely level. That's always very good, especially on these older vehicles, to have that equally level stance when you're doing the lift kit. Sometimes with certain lift kits or with certain shops, the truck will end up looking a little bit lopsided. So it's nice to have it looking level. Now, for the meat and potatoes of the build. These are 20x10 fuel rebars in a DDT, which is a double dark tint. One of my favorite colors that they have, as you can see. You look at like different aspects of the wheel. From my eyes right here, this looks black, whereas this is shining a nice bronze color. That's always really cool looking, especially with this green and bronze colorway that he has going on. Those two-tone vehicles from the past and until now, double dark tint always looks very good if they have a bronze subtone of their colorway. These wheels are 35, 12, 50, 20s, which are freaking meaty on this thing. So if you're looking to see how to fit a 35 on an Excursion, this is how you do it. You do a 5-inch lift kit, and then you got your 35, 12, 50, 20s and the 20x10s, giving that a negative 18 offset, putting you about, you can't really see it, the wheels turn, but if you look at the rear, you're about 1 inch to 1.5 inches out of that fender well, which is a wider stance. Looks very good on this. These Excursions have a heck of a history, man. Not only from my childhood and the stories that I've heard of my friends, but actually, one of my buddies wrecked his dad's brand new Excursion back in like 04. It was really bad, hilarious when I heard the story. Anyways, they were going to prom and like you wanted to do a burnout. It didn't end up well. Don't do burnouts, kids, if you don't know how to. It doesn't end up well ever, especially if you're on a windy road. You know who I'm talking about if you're watching this. But these things are absolutely gorgeous. Do I hope that Ford brings them back? Absolutely, because I'll be one of their first customers to go ahead and buy one, as long as they look somewhat like this. If they do one of these weird redesign things where it doesn't look anything like that, or it doesn't have the 250 chassis, then no, I'm good. You guys, you keep that. But as long as it has a diesel engine and a 250 chassis, then I would seriously consider going broke to buy one of these. But that is how you make one of these look absolutely beautiful from the past. 2000 to 2005, they make these lift kits for them. And if you're in those years, you can make it look as insane. Shoot, they might even make taller lift kits for this. I'll double check. But you can make it look insane as this. Well, I'm sure we could find a taller lift kit. There goes our license plate. Don't pay attention to that. We can make it look more insane for you. So give us a call here at 301-694-4642 if you want that to happen, or if you have an Excursion like this, or you're just looking at buying an Excursion and you want to soup it up. We're the people for you. Give us a call or visit our site at KrietzCustoms.com. See you guys in the next one. Want a free set of wheels and tires from Krietz Customs? Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. At 50,000 subscribers at the end of the year, we will be giving away a free set of wheels and tires just like this one. 35, 12, 50, 22 Fury Country Hunter on a 22x12 fuel wheel. You want them? We'll see you at the end of the year. Just smash the subscribe button for me.